I know you. You're one of those. You get up and you go. You go early and you go late. Midnight even. You go up, way up. You go on one wheel. You're such a go-getter. Wouldn't it be nice to never slow down, never leave the road, never stop? Get the perfect angle, don't slow down. Things change. Angles change. Find your angle on the move, never miss a shot. Pop, lock, and rock. Come on, stay on the shot. Just use one hand. Pan it, tilt it. Hey, try a different angle. You don't even have to be such a hero. Can you dance? Move. Change the angle on the fly. Nailed it. It's rattle-proof. Find a new angle. Find 56 angles. Ooh, I like that one. On the road, on the snow, or in the water. Follow the shot. Stay on it. "56 angles of awesome." Boondoo.